Hey everybody, here's a quick tutorial on how to use the Google Apps Screencastify in order to record your comparing revolutions or any other project you have to do later. So what I have on the screen right now in front of you is, naturally enough, me doing a Screencastify video, but also a slideshow from, it's actually in this case is Miss Case's slideshow, but basically I'm just going to show you from the perspective of a student how to access the Screencastify app and then take the slideshow and make a recording of it like I'm doing right now. So I'm logged in as Lulu student, who's kind of our dummy student who we use to see the student's perspective on the classroom. And so the thing you're going to do, because you should have this viewpoint, is you're going to make sure you are logged into Chrome, because the only way to actually use Screencastify is to log into Chrome. So I've got my mouse over Lulu's name here. And so when you click in the upper right-hand corner of the browser, you should see your name logged in. And so, and it should also make sure it's your school address rather than any other Gmail that you have, or else these next steps are not going to work. So once you make sure you're logged in, then you go and click this puzzle piece here, which you can see the alt text labels extensions. And so we go down, and you're going to want to click this little pin extension here. And do you see how I unpin it? It disappears from my browser window. I repin it, it appears. So now, and you can also look here, there's nothing really, maybe the reactions you want to have, share to classroom might be useful to you, but really for now, just make sure you have this one. So now you've got this app pinned to your browser. You click right onto it, and you got to make sure you have it all set up. So I'm going to enable my mic and webcam. See, it pops up over here. I allow it. I enable my annotations. I give this thing access to my whole browser so I can use it all as capacity. I'm not going to take the tour because that's kind of what we're doing right now. Apparently, it makes me click on it. Okay, so we'll just dismiss that. And so go back to this slide here. All right, so now that we've enabled the Screencastify app, you have a couple different options. I'm going to suggest you embed your webcam. So you have this that's what enables this little box down in the right-hand corner. You make sure you've got your microphone set up. And I'm going to record just a browser tab. And so this is a little bit strange. I'm doing a Screencastify of another Screencastify. So let's click record. So when you click record, oh, this is strange. There's two of me. And so now this is Lulu Screencastify recording me recording a Screencastify. Regardless, don't worry about that. Now that I'm done, as I click here and see it says my tab's being recorded. It's got a timer up here. If you hate the video, you've got a false start, you can click delete. If you want to go back, you can go back right here. But what I want to do is click stop. So I click stop, and I've made my first video. Now, if this had been a real presentation, or a real video I've been making, or you had been making, what you would do is you would, present the slideshow, you would talk over it, and then when you were done, you would finish presenting the slideshow and click the stop button. All right, so we're going to continue. Oh, well, and here is one of those. I'm going to keep this in the video just because it's one of those things that ends up happening with technology. My recordings are failing to save to drive, and I'm not really sure why that's the case. So, frankly, at the end of this video, go take this a try and then give me some feedback, as you guys have been great about doing, and let me know if this thing is working or not. All right, so I'm going to sign off from this video, and good luck on getting your Comparing Revolutions projects recorded, and hopefully this method works for you.